What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be showing you something pretty dang cool that you don't actually have to build yourself. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you the Tactical Boot Spike. These are a great offensive or defensive weapon that are quick and easy to install. If you want to check these out, hit the link in the description below. That'll link you through to where they're sold at. But today I'm just going to show you what they are and how they work. So, the Tactical Boot Spike comes in several different colors. This one is Desert Tan, which as you can see I got because of my combat boots, but they also come in black. For tennis shoes or other shoes like that. So what these essentially do is these lace into your boots and act as a focus point for kicks like a roundhouse kick or a front kick. So these really give a devastatingly painful focus point for any kicks that actually hit the body. So that's what they are. So now let's see how you actually put them in. All right, so how these go in is really very simple. All you simply do is you loosen the laces down here by the top of your foot. You want these to be as near the toe of the boot as you can because that's the main part that you're going to kick with. You're going to want to kick, your toes are going to be here, you're going to want to kick with that part of your foot, kind of the top of your foot there. So all this does is you simply put the boot spike right here in between the laces, so you get those ones in between there. And then you simply lace this tight. So now that you've got it in there, you just simply tighten the boot down like you were going to tie it, and your boot spikes are ready to go. They're actually very quick, very simple to install, and they look pretty dang badass. But not only do they look good, but they're actually quite effective. So you know, these are not very expensive. As I said, check the link in the description if you want to buy these or check these out. I got them really just for the fun of it. Obviously, I can't wear these when I'm on duty, but I can wear them just for the fun of it. I can wear them if I'm going to a bad part of town, you know, or even just for a costume or something like that. All right, well, there you go, guys. That is the Tactical Boot Spike. That's a great way to make your combat boot a little bit more effective as a weapon. If you like this product, check out my other videos. I got all kinds of DIYs and other projects. Hit that subscribe button and have a great day.